how to recover deleted stories on Instagram. If you'd like to recover deleted stories on Instagram, here, just let me open up Instagram. And I've happened to upload a certain story. Let me try to first of all delete this story. So I'll tap the More option and I'll tap on Delete. And here it says you can restore unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories from recently deleted in your activity. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So if I just delete this, I have about 24 hours to recover this story. To do that, I can come to my profile page, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then I can go to your activity. From here, look for the option called Recently Deleted, and here you'll see the story that you just deleted. You can tap on Open that story, tap the three dots option, and just tap on Restore to restore that same story again, and it will resume the story from the time when you deleted it. So that way you can recover deleted or even archived stories in this case. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.